Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Oh, yeah. I'm alone, I wrote a song for you. All the things you do, it's called your love. So then I take my turn for all the things to happen, and it's all your love. I was feeling over your skin and bone, staring into something beautiful. You know I love you so. You know I love you so.